Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Muscleblaze Creatine Monohydrate. I bought this creatine from Amazon. I will give the link in the description box. If you want, please do check that. It will help the channel. Once you open the Amazon package, here is a Muscleblaze Creatine Monohydrate. It is Labrador certified and it is unflavored and it is 100 grams. Here for each scoop you will get 3 grams of creatine. This creatine monohydrate weighs approximately 100 grams and it gives 33 servings. The price mentioned on the box is 499, but you can get this for approximately 350 to 399. And over here it is showing the recommended dosage. We need to add 1 level scoop into 40 ml of water or fruit juice and we need to mix properly. I generally take the creatine monohydrate post workout in my whey protein. If you are consuming creatine monohydrate, it is a must to take at least 3 to 5 liters of water. Let's remove the hologram and let's open the cap. And once you open the cap, you can see the seal. And on top of the seal, you can see the sticker. You can verify the authentication by sending the SMS. I'm using knife to remove the seal. Once you remove the seal completely, inside you can see the creatine monohydrate. It is white in color. And also you will get a scoop. On the scoop you can see the branding Muscleblaze MB. When you take 1 level scoop, you will get approximately 3 grams of creatine. You can use this creatine monohydrate pre or post workout. As I said previously, I use it with my whey protein post workout. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of Muscleblaze Creatine Monohydrate. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.